vehicles products of inverter air-to-water heat pump. This product is with R14A gas and also it is high efficiency. It is also with the inverter compressor with the inverter technology. This product is multifunction for swimming pool, floor heating, house heating, and also radiators. This product is with very slim design, very big loading capacities. This is the outer unit of the inverter air-to-water heat pump. It with special defrosting system, it can operate under the freezing temperature of -5 centigrade. The inner side of inverter air-to-water heat pump. It is with the components is all from famous brand. The control panel,